Did you know that you can create links for your calendar that can only be used once for booking? I'll show you how to create these so-called one-time booking links and what advantages they have for you. We are here in our sub account and first go to calendars. Here I go directly to the calendar settings. And then we have our calendars listed here. For example, I have the client onboarding calendar, and especially in the case of an onboarding call, if you say your client in this example gets one free call with you, then it's totally worth it. You can simply click here on the right on the three dots and click on share. You probably already know this because here you can share your normal link to your calendar, but here now there's the one-time link. If you click on it here, copy it once, it's confirmed in the top right. Then you have this link now in the clipboard and can send it to your customers. The possibility is definitely advantageous. For example, if you want to temporarily release your calendar only for certain events and appointments, without giving the access to the entire calendar at once. Additionally, this automatically prevents participants from sharing their access with other people, as it is only possible once. And very importantly, I experienced this myself. Unfortunately, there are always people who enter fake names and email addresses that don't exist. Your calendar gets packed with appointments and you don't know beforehand that they won't show up. So you also save time. See you in the next video.